My name is Rain, and this is my first spoken word ever. If you don't like me, then that's one thing. But don't pretend to be no kin to me when actually you detest me. Mentally and physically, I appear to be unbreakable, emotionally unshakable. But to be quite honest, it's all a facade, and I pray to God that He changes me within. Allow me to grow deeper skin. Cause see, I'm comfortable in the skin I'm in. But then I start to second guess when you say I'm fat or your homeboy says, she ain't all that. All of what? I'm not conceited, but I do believe in me. I'm more than what you see. I'm a child of God. He made me, so you can't faze me. Yeah, I think sometimes of giving up when the road gets a little tough. I think I've gone through enough. But Jesus didn't give up on me. He died so I can live. So it's my duty to give words of encouragement, scriptures and pep talks, make phone calls and take walks with my family in Christ. So if you don't like me, then maybe, just maybe, it's not me you hate, but it's the God in me.